In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover archived cards in Trello. Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing tasks and managing projects, but sometimes things can get a bit tricky, like when a card you need gets archived. Whether you've accidentally archived a card or you're trying to retrieve one from the depths of your board, don't worry. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact process to recover archived cards in Trello quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Trello board where the card was originally archived. This is an important step because Trello organizes everything by board, so you'll need to access the specific board where the card was last seen. Take a moment to locate it in your Trello dashboard and open it up. Next, look to the top right corner of the board. You'll see a three-dot icon. This is the More menu. Click on it to open the board menu. From here, you'll gain access to several options for managing your board. Now, in the menu, select Archived Items. If you don't see this option right away, you may need to click More first. This will expand the menu and reveal additional features, including the Archived Items section. Once you've found it, click on it to proceed. At this point, make sure you're viewing archived cards specifically, not lists. Trello allows you to archive entire lists as well as individual cards, so double-check that you're in the right view. This ensures you're looking at the cards that were archived rather than any list that may have been stored away. To locate the specific card you're looking for, use the search field at the top of the archive view. Simply type in a keyword from the card's title or description. This will filter the results and help you find the card much faster, especially if there are a lot of archived items on the board. Once you've located the card, you'll see an option next to it to restore or unarchive. Click this option, and the card will be moved back to its original position on the board. It's as simple as that. Finally, check the original list on the board to confirm that the card has been restored. If the list itself was archived, you'll need to unarchive the list as well to make the card visible again. Simply follow a similar process to unarchive the list, and your card will appear back where it belongs. And that's it. You've successfully recovered an archived card in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.